Hello everyone and welcome back to EnglishPodio. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Hello everyone! Today we are talking about something very useful. That's right, today we are learning how to start a small talk in English. Many English learners know vocabulary and grammar, but they do not know how to start a conversation. Exactly, they want to talk, but they don't know what to say first. The good news is that small talk is usually very simple. Yes, you do not need difficult English. Let's start with the most common question. How are you? Very simple. Very useful. If someone asks, how are you, you can answer, I'm good, thank you. Or, I'm doing well. Then you can ask the same question back. How about you? Perfect. Another great small talk topic is the weather. People love talking about the weather. For example, nice weather today, isn't it? Or, it's really sunny today. Very natural. Let's practice some grammar. Present tense. I like sunny weather. You like sunny weather. We like sunny weather. He likes sunny weather. She likes sunny weather. Notice the S in likes. Great point. Another easy topic is work or study. You can ask, what do you do? Or, are you a student? If someone says, I am a student, you can continue the conversation. Ask, what are you studying? People usually enjoy talking about themselves. That's true. Another good topic is hobbies. Example, what do you do in your free time? Maybe they like reading. Maybe they like sports. Maybe they like movies. Speaking of movies, that's another excellent small talk topic. You can ask, have you seen any good movies recently? Very natural. Let's learn some useful vocabulary. Conversation. Conversation means talking with someone. Hobby. A hobby means an activity you enjoy. Friendly. Friendly means kind and easy to talk to. Wonderful. Now let's practice past tense. I watched a movie yesterday. You watched a movie yesterday. We watched a movie yesterday. He watched a movie yesterday. She watched a movie yesterday. Very easy. Now, future tense. I will meet my friend tomorrow. You will meet your friend tomorrow. We will meet our friend tomorrow. He will meet his friend tomorrow. She will meet her friend tomorrow. Excellent. One important thing about small talk is smiling. Yes, people feel more comfortable when you smile. And don't worry about making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. The goal is communication, not perfection. Exactly. If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for learning with us. Before we finish, remember these simple small talk questions. How are you? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you do in your free time? How is your day going? These questions can start many great conversations. Today was a lot of fun. I enjoyed our conversation today. Thank you everyone for listening. See you in the next episode. Goodbye everyone. Bye.